Bluey dashed through the street fast, Bingo skipped beside her laughing loud, and suddenly a glowing pumpkin lantern flickered bright. Muffin shouted, "Wow, could Halloween magic be real?" Bandit carried a spooky basket tight, Chilli pointed at a haunted house ahead, Indy gasped, "It's glowing with green light, could treasures be waiting?" From the shadows crept a massive scarecrow huge, its eyes burned fiery red sharp. Socks barked nervously pacing, Bluey whispered, "This is scary, could they survive the night?" The scarecrow raised its arms shaking the ground hard, Bingo clutched her candy bucket tight, Muffin hid behind Chilli worried, could courage help them fight? Bandit lifted a broom ready, Rusty grabbed a glowing torch for backup, Indy shouted, "Stay close, could teamwork stop the scarecrow?" Bluey noticed strange runes carved across its chest glowing, she shouted, "Aim there now," Bingo tossed a glowing candy fast, could it weaken the monster? The scarecrow roared, hay and sparks bursting wide, the haunted house trembled loud, Socks barked dodging flying straw, could they endure the fright? Bluey climbed onto a porch shouting, "Cast the light," Rusty swung the torch burning bright, the scarecrow paused confused, could cleverness turn the battle? Suddenly the scarecrow froze completely still, its eyes softened golden warm, Chilli whispered, "It's working," Muffin hurled another glowing candy, could teamwork finish the fight? The runes pulsed brighter then faded, the scarecrow bowed its head majestic, smoke cleared revealing a glowing pumpkin crystal inside, Bluey picked it up careful proud, could it hold Halloween magic? A secret passage opened beneath the graveyard glowing, Bandit whispered, "This night is only starting," Bluey's eyes burned courageous bright, could the next challenge be wilder? The friends marched through together brave, the night twisted into a sparkling realm spooky, Bingo laughed amazed, Muffin twirled around excited, could endless mysteries await? Above them, bats circled wildly, sparks of magic scattered across the sky, Rusty shouted, "Keep moving," Socks barked joining the cheer, could Halloween guide them? Bluey raised the crystal high shining, the light spread across the town bright, Chilli smiled proud, Bandit hugged everyone close, could this victory last forever? Suddenly, a portal opened swirling massive, glittering haunted worlds beckoned ahead, Bingo shouted, "Let's go," Muffin's eyes sparkled wide, could this be the ultimate Halloween quest? Bluey turned to her friends with fire in her eyes brave, she shouted, "Together we can face any night," everyone cheered ready for the unknown, could you walk in with them? And if your heart raced like theirs, smash that like, tap subscribe, and join the next spooky adventure with Bluey and friends.